How do you install Freezer 13CO Arctic Cooling? First, you need to know the motherboard you're using. So this is the settings. And then you need to push these pins in short order to reach the other side, simply not too much. And then next stage that you need to do is be to push the black pins inside. So you notice that both the white pins and the black pins, like here, should be with the circular side inward, like you see here, circular side inward. And then we start. Okay, so pins inward, hold back and push. Cross side, the other side, pin inward. Hold the back, which support it with your hand, like so, and push. Other pins inward, see, circle, not like this guy, and inward, again supporting your back. Next, have this is an Intel i5, Intel i7 with a 1551 socket. So these metal brackets and these small screws are meant to be used for guess what? AMD. So on the AMD you can't use the plastic, you just use it, these metal brackets to the motherboard. That's what AMD likes to do. Now you take the fan, see this, you will take the fan off. So usually you will take the fan off by putting a screwdriver, a straight screwdriver here and here, and it will just come off. Now the wind flow, depending on your setup, usually I like the wind going from the memory backward, unless you have another fan, or going upward, sideways or upward. That's decides the way you put the plastic hinges on, bracket on, and then just simply okay, more support, good. So now put these. It's better to do this when the motherboard is out, because if you do it when the motherboard is in, it's quite harder. So better do it when the motherboard is out. Something like this can happen. Screw falls, screw falls. So put for like so. So the screws are in. Now you put it into place. See here. The other. Usually you would put 25% each side of the screw, and then just continue 25% at each side until you reach the point where obviously becomes stronger. Then you just finish it. So think about motherboards, especially now. The thing about motherboards is that there is a flexing of motherboards usually because of some CPU coolers. So there is pressure, so the motherboard, the pressure goes on the motherboard, and then the motherboard like flips inward like that, and that causes the motherboard to die. So the best thing is to check that the motherboard is not flexing. That's why the force is best to be spread correctly, because if there is flexing, then you're probably gonna end up with a dead motherboard within 2 years time or 3 years, depending how much you use it. And airflow is important, so I will not put the fan yet because I want to secure the screws again, to check them. But airflow coming from here would allow you to cool the memory while cooling the CPU. And the fact that the bracket is on this side and that side like so means that there is less flexing of that side of the motherboard, but more from the not horizontal, the vertical, the altitude, the longitude, at the long side of the motherboard from the short side, so there's less chances of it flexing like this, but there's more chances of it flexing like in the long run. So take that into consideration. The reason this is the Arctic Freezer 13CO, so I recommend buying the CO version of every possible. That's because it's meant for continuous work. It has more ball bearings inside, so more quiet time on your work. That's it for this Arctic Freezer. Enjoy. Have a nice day. It is important to really make the screws fasten. Au revoir.